NorthScope understands all orders are different. That's why it offers several modes for order entry. Sometimes, orders may be for items that must be produced. Other times, items may be added to orders by one person, but lots assigned by another. And sometimes, you just need to add items to orders simply by allocating lots from existing inventory in one step. NorthScope makes this easy by providing the available balances at the lot level for every item within the warehouse. All you need to do is enter quantities for the items and lots your customer wants, and in one step, the items will be added to the order with lots already allocated. Now the order is ready for picking, shipping, and invoicing. Optimize your food manufacturing business today with ERP software built for your industry.